How to get rid of hiccups. If you're trying to get rid of hiccups, here's a video how to get rid of hiccups. You'll need a teaspoon of sugar, 3 glasses of water, a piece of dry bread, optional breath. Step 1. And swallow a teaspoon of sugar. And now swallow it. How do I swallow it?
You can drink some water if you want. Is it gross?
No, not. It tasted good.
Ugh. Did you swallow it?
I swallowed some.
Okay. All right, continue.
Step 2. Gulp down a glass of water. Step 3. Eat a piece of dry bread slowly. Step 4. Gargle some water.
You can use the same one. Do you know how to gargle? Glug, 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 glug.
Step 5. Drink water from the farthest side of the rim. Step 7. How do you hold your breath and count backward?
I don't know. You go 1, 2, 3, 10, 9, 8, 8, like that.
Okay. One, 2, 3,
Backwards.
4. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you know? What's a fact? Did you do that? Get rid of hiccups before?
No, I've never tried that before.
Okay. Do you know? And